This is the world's sharpest knife, made entirely out of bismuth, known for forming square-like crystals due to a higher growth rate on the edges, creating a stair-like structure known as a hopper form. Dive into the extraordinary world of YouTuber Kiwami Japan, a master of crafting knives from extraordinary materials. In this captivating video, witness the remarkable transformation as he ingeniously creates a knife from bismuth, meticulously honing it with ever finer whetstones to achieve a precision edge that defies expectations.